149 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 22nd July 2020. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, 92 people recovered on 22nd July 2020. Total confirmed cases in the state are 4,176. Total active cases in the state stands at 1,607. Total recovered cases stands at 2,541. Total 28 deaths are reported till 22nd July 2020. One male 50 years from Fatodda, Margao, admitted at ESI COVID Hospital, Margao with comorbid condition expired on 22nd July 2020. One male 52 years from Bogda, Vasco, admitted in GMC expired on 22nd July 2020. Out of 6,823 samples tested, 1,808 are negative, 149 are positive, 4,866 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation wards are 30. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 256. As per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 22nd July 2020. Breakup of total 1,607 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 4, CSC Sakre 92, CSC Pernam 26, CSC Valpai 6, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 61, USC Panjim 38, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 1, PSC Betki 14, PSC Kandolim 11, PSC Kansarvarnem 18, PSC Kodwaye 37, PSC Kolim 25, PSC Chimbal 72, PSC Shiolim 9, PSC Porvorim 23, PSC Mayam 1, Travelers by Road Flight Train 129, South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 15, CSC Kankona 9, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 67, USC Vasco 374, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 9, PSC Kansalim 9, PSC Chinchinim 2, PSC Kortalim 377, PSC Kurtorim 19, PSC Lotolim 8, PSC Marsaim 8, PSC Kwapam 11, PSC Sangam 0, PSC Shirada 10, PSC Darbandora 46, PSC Ponda 57, PSC Navelim 19. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.